for me anymore.
Okay.
So now we start.
I'm Kateryna. I moved to Austria from Ukraine in 2022. Back home, I earned a master's degree in business management. Later, I was working for a British company as a foreign activity manager. And after, I founded my own skincare company where I was managing a small team and promoted skincare products. I have heard about 42 Network even before moving to Austria, because back in Ukraine we had a partner company called Unit Factory that was following same teacherless curriculum. And when I saw the ad for 42 Vienna here, I was happy that I have possibility to try it here as well. After leaving everything behind, I wanted a profession that gives me flexibility and the freedom to work from anywhere. The most memorable for me is definitely the community. Whether it was struggling on complicated C projects or celebrating someone's success, my peers were always next to me, sharing these emotions, and the feeling of belonging is what kept me motivated every day. I recently finished Common Core, and I actually became 100th student to finish curriculum in this school. And currently I'm working on finding a job or internship to continue my mastery in here. And I'm simultaneously working on my private projects to sharpen my skills in coding. I'm probably most proud of my resilience. I moved to a new country. I integrated quite a bit into a new culture and community. And I also successfully finished Common Core at 42 Vienna. And moved from the business world to the tech world. And especially finishing Common Core proves me that I can handle any challenge in my life. Looking ahead, I would love to use my programming skills to contribute into rebuild and recovery of my country's economy. Ukraine is a very digital nation, but it has faced very hard time recently. So my dream is to help to make Ukrainians' infrastructure more digital, more modern and resilient. Especially with the modern technologies, I can work from Vienna, bridging my home and my new home together.